In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a sleep timer on YouTube. If you like winding down with music, a podcast, or a relaxing video, a sleep timer is a simple way to let playback stop on its own so you don't have to reach over and turn it off. Let's walk through it together, step by step, and I'll point out a few tips along the way to make it seamless. First, open the video you want to listen to or watch and press play. It can be a music mix, an ambient soundscape, a long commentary, or anything you'd like to fall asleep to, or simply time box. Let it start playing so you can immediately hear the difference once the timer kicks in later. Next, open Settings by clicking or tapping the gear icon on the video player. You'll typically find this gear near the bottom of the player. When you open it, you'll see familiar options like playback quality and captions. We're looking for the sleep timer option in this menu. Now, select sleep timer from the list. This brings up a simple panel where you can choose how long you want playback to continue. Think about how much time you usually need to unwind or drift off, then pick a duration that fits. Common choices are 5, 10, 15, or 30 minutes. Choose the one that matches your routine and confirm it. As soon as you set it, the countdown begins in the background while the video keeps playing as normal. From here, just relax and enjoy. When the timer ends, YouTube will automatically stop playing. That means no sudden autoplay into the next track, no unexpected loud ads, and no need to fumble for your device in the dark. If you happen to still be awake when the timer runs out, just press play to resume right where you left off. And if you misjudged the timing, you can pop back into the same settings menu and adjust the duration or turn the timer off. A quick tip: a sleep timer is perfect for bedtime listening, but it's also handy for short breaks, focused study sessions, or meditation, where you want a gentle stop without setting a separate alarm. It helps conserve battery, reduces data usage, and keeps your space calm and quiet once the timer finishes. That's all there is to it. Open your video, head into the gear icon, choose sleep timer, set your preferred duration, and let YouTube take care of the rest. Enjoy your listening and sleep well.